Welcome everybody to a new video. Today we're going to be exploring the ship after I got my Glock. Nie.
Overheads, they won't allow you.
Is that it?
I think it's good though.
Overheads, they won't allow you.
K
look at this.
L O G set. Is that it? G set.
Just have long legs like me. I'm such a diva.
Double katanas.
Non, je pense pas.
Mais attends, moi là j'ai une canne à pêche.
Me l'ai à croissant, hein.
Ouais. Et là moi je suis où est-ce qu'il y a un fil bleu et où est-ce qu'il y a la maison. Du moins je suis là. Deux gros fils, bleus.
Disgusting. Wow, what's it?
Ouais.
For free. Damn. This game plus than me.
Où est-ce qu'il y a des taches de sang?
I don't think.
Attends, moi là je suis en dessous de ma maison, où est-ce qu'il y a des égouts? Je peux y aller dedans? Ouais, en dessous de ta maison, est-ce que je peux y aller dedans? Pourquoi? Ok. Ok, c'est bon, je suis. Je vois pas. En fait, il y a des pages de sang et marqué Star Zone. Je sais pas ce que ça veut dire. Ouais. Et j'étais où là où est la manette. C'est ça. Ouais. De voir. Hey! Hi. Hi. Ouais.
Dang.
Ouais, c'est bon, je suis.
Hey, how do you manage to kill him?
Oui, j'en envoie un. Ah, dis-moi la
Nice shot.
Voilà.
Nice shot.
Hein? FR. Attends. Un R après le F. Non. Un R, c'est ça? Ah, ok. Ah oui. Attends. J'avais vu. Ah oui. Ok, et 45, d'accord. Attends, hein, je vais cliquer.
Meat and of plastic. A world that's theirs now. Welcome home. Full of meat. plastic. The world that's theirs now. Welcome home. Yo. What?
Let's go explore.
Bro, you just stole it. Okay?
Or kill me. Exploring that area ever again. Maybe later. Not gonna lie, I gotta stop running. I got my driver's license yesterday. Got myself a new car. That's what I'm
What? What, a war going on? Okay, better go and see us. We got behind me. And what are you doing? I'm trying to go to us. Please, diamond fish, please.
Oh yeah, I got you. Alright, hold on. We're gonna do this glitch, and it gives me money, so then I can get one. Alright, follow me, okay? You're gonna be alright. You might get hit like a little bit. Stay on the channel, and you should be good.
That ain't your level, that's actually my level, dude. That you stole.
Hey, look out! Please, don't! I have to look at something! Please! Help me!
I already got the trophy!
Yeah, please. No, wait, you take me.
Okay, fine.
Take me.
Please don't.
What?
Please
That's
have a ball.
Send it. Send it.
Did that fuck?
Hey!
Oh, galactic drill.
Get out.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
There.
Where is he?
Hey guys! You tried to kill me, nah! I'm the fastest guy in life.
Man, he flying. He flying.
I'm doing this.
Bro, yellow. Could you go into
Bro, what
stash?
are you on?
Yellow.
We like thingy.
Blue. Could you go into stash? I want to do something.
Help!
I'm gonna give you info.
What should I?
Hey. Yo, chill.
What the hell, fool? Alright, guys.
Yo, man. Yo, kid.
Are you going to kill me? Are
No.
you going to kill me, please? Okay, thank you. Please don't.
Only if I need to.
Please don't. I don't have anything. Four-leaf clover back here behind the big peanut.
Let's go there.
Four-leaf clover. Yo, where are you going?
Dog.
Wait, there's a four-leaf clover down.
Oh.
Over there.
Oh, there
It's
it
behind the big peanut. Yeah. Wait, I have a whole chunk of them. Put it in here.
is.
No, bro. Put you green. Put it in here. I have a
Okay.
whole chunk. I have a whole chunk of them in here.
Okay, yeah, well.
Oh, can I have one gun? Can I have a gun?
Why don't you do the ship?
Yeah.
Me, I will.
Where'd the guys go? Let me go kill them.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I'm falling.
Sam,
Come on.
wait for me.
No, don't shut!
Does anybody want to beat the mom boss?
Ah, run! Hello.
If you want to beat the mom boss, go to Code
He's
Circus.
coming.
Wait.
Go to Code Circus if you want to beat the mom boss.
I can't. He's over here. We got him. You were trying to kill us. You promised not to kill us.
Yo, bro.
No, Circus.
You promised.
Ouch, if you're really good with
Okay. He
fighting.
promises he won't kill us. He promises he won't kill us.
Good boy.
Okay. I don't have a weapon.
There's no
Die!
Who wants to do giveaway for giveaway? Who wants to do giveaway for giveaway? Mike.
Okay, this bag is full of nothing but dragon. Spider and he's a man. Spider-Man.
I have a bag on a hard gun, and this bag is full of nothing but dragonfish. I'm gonna launch it in a direction, and whoever gets it gets all the dragonfish. Y'all ready to try to catch it?
No hard gun.
Hey, who wants to try to get the hot box box
Hello, if you would like to go to Squid Game,
Whoever gets it.
Wait, what code? What code?
Are we? Hey,
LKVR.
Yo, bro. I
Okay.
thought you were like fine. I bet I'm gonna join. What code? What code? What code?
LKVR.
Hey, my bag. Hey, get the bag.
LKVR?
Hey, my bag. Hey, my bag. What are we doing? What are we doing?
What's happening?
This Squid Game.
Oh, what is the win again?
It's a mystery prize, but I assure you it's really good.
Can the winner get for you to help them do something?
I guess. Can you please?
Who wants to give away
on the couch.
Can I do a giveaway in here?
Yeah. Yes, please do a giveaway. in
Yo,
here.
Orange, can I do a fish giveaway? It will lag.
Can I do a giveaway? You see, no, I won't. It's fine.
Hey, you. Yeah, sure. You can,
Can I do
giveaway.
it?
Yeah, do it.
We are starting Squid Games. Please go to the couch.
Hey, will there be a love fish? Will there be love fish in this?
Get down.
God, this is the best giveaway ever.
Whoa.
This is the.
Go
Oh
ahead.
my god.
Oh, never mind.
This
I
is that
forgot I
was
had all this.
the best giveaway
shake
ever.
it.
I forgot I
This
had
is
all
the
this.
wrong bag. This no one's taking the bag, and that will be unfair.
That
Wait,
is the
stop
best
going to go up there.
giveaway ever.
No,
bro.
give me my
Wait,
phone.
I'm about to do
No,
it.
my gun.
Come here, Orange, I have a question
Thank
for
you
you.
for the best
Hey, Orange,
giveaway ever.
can I talk to you privately?
Alright.
Guys, come, I'm doing it.
And this time it's not just you standing.
Stop touching my stuff.
No, it's
Damn.
actually
Sorry, I
good.
want a fair game.
I was gonna be like the front man.
Okay, we're,
Starting Squid Games. Please come to the couch. It's on.
whoever's doing this, I'm kicking you.
Don't, it's a giveaway. Yo, what the?
This is too much.
What the?
No, it's not.
Elephant. I thought you meant a little bit. Elephant, just stop! Stop!
No, free giveaway.
Elephant, he'll stop
guys.
to kick you.
Fish giveaway, but this.
Yeah, I got the wrong bag, but I mean.
Elephant, it has something in it.
I thought you said the fish giveaway, bro.
My
It has
bag,
fish in it.
I got the wrong bag. I took the wrong bag.
Free giveaway, guys.
Guys, I won't be giveaway until the end because we have to do Squid Games.
Okay, if you do not go to the couch at
Steve, you will be kicked from server.
Hold on. Let me pull all the stuff that I got in my bag. I need a.
Okay, I'm kicking everyone.
No. Why? But I'm at the couch.
Please go to the couch at Steve. Whoever's not at couch will be kicked.
I'm at couch.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, I already have a guard. Here you go.
There'll be two.
I did the giveaway though.
I know. And it was
I gotta go. Yeah,
Okay, for Squid Games, please go meet me at stage 5.
Okay.
I do.
Give me that back.
Guard, where are you? I need you to stay at stage 5. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you telling me to come. I was wondering where you were. I'm coming. Guard, where are you? I'm coming. I'm just gonna... Whoever's leaving items everywhere, I will get you.
See? I mean, I'll have to get... Can I
You,
at least use a stick?
drop your items. Drop your items.
That was. Thanks for the giveaway.
No, just doing giveaways. We're doing a race, man. What we're doing?
Okay, Guard, you need to go.
Oh, you already have one.
I have one.
Can I use this? Can I use this?
No.
Everyone drop items, we are starting. Guys,
I
come to
can't
the...
drop this.
To the wall.
Is it
Guard,
terrible?
guard, come here. Make sure everyone stays on the wall and they have no cheat items.
I have no cheat
Okay, guard.
items.
No,
Hey,
he
get
has
rid
a
of
hook
those.
shot. They have hook shots.
Reefer!
Revive me, Bo! Revive me!
Everyone,
revive
who did
me!
that? It was from...
Bo, revive me! Bo, you stuck on my back.
I'm in a huge giveaway right now, Nikit. A huge giveaway. Oh, I already did those. Like 50 times already. Yep. I have like 2 in my backpack right now. I have 2. Yes, I have 2 golden ones.
Please come back to stage 5.
Oh, sorry. No.
Everyone line up on the wall.
Put it in your stash or get rid of it.
Line up on the wall or else.
Revive me!
What was that?
Okay, I'll
How
revive
do you
you.
revive him?
If you don't line up on the wall, you will be eliminated.
Revive me! Someone killed me, guys!
Hey, Green,
No,
no
just
umbrella.
do not touch it. Bro, respawn, man.
You revive him.
I agree.
Then I'll just go back to the tree.
No, you'll be here. You'll be
Hey,
here.
high five. No umbrella. No umbrella.
Oh,
Just revive. You'll be here.
Okay, we're starting.
I promise
Guard,
you.
make sure everyone stays on the line.
Yeah, see? We're still here. Bro! Green's moving. Kick him. Kick Green with the Halloween bucket. Bro, such a cheat. Behind this line. The race started, everyone! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'll go back.
So I killed the last one. Yeah.
I did it at the end.
I did it right. I did this. No, Green! No!
I got spit because I'm so sad.
Guys, I feel so bad for him. Guys, spin for him.
Yes,
Spin for Green.
spit for Green.
I'm sorry, bro.
So, what's his name? What's his name?
For Green.
Go.
His name is Silly Willy 5001. Silly
my name
Willy
is
5001.
001.
Sorry. Goodbye.
I'm sorry. Bye.
Come here, out of my way. Come here. Oh, he's there. Okay, time for red light, green light. 2 people will be eliminated. So everyone stay on this wall. I'm gonna have a flashlight, okay?
Okay.
Can you get
a big flashlight?
get a big flashlight? Get a big flashlight.
Guys, are you ready?
Hey, back on the wall, back on the wall.
Wait, Orange, can I use double jump?
Yo,
I am on the wall.
No double jump. No double jump.
Orange, can I use double jump? No.
Stop! I've played these games before. You haven't? Bro, what's he doing? Oh. Go back to the wall.
he's Sody.
Bro, we can't see the light. We can't see the light.
Yeah, you need a big flashlight.
I'll get a big flashlight for you.
Same.
Okay.
Oh, never mind.
I saw him Sode. I don't know why.
Wait, do we move when the light's on?
Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good.
No, I'm spinning!
The lights are...
Yo, I stopped doing the lights.
Yo, I stopped with the light.
Yes, I made it. Is that fair? Can I go look at them?
Yes.
No.
He moved. Para de comida, out of my way. Para de comida, out of my way. Okay, that's
My
two people
grandma lost
eliminated.
her,
He's
Two
edgy
people
puppy.
eliminated.
Hi guys. Guys, where are you? Oh,
Green's right there. Never mind. Okay, come back.
sorry.
Oh, my
grandma
God, no,
lost,
come here.
medication, so I had to give it to her.
Each of you get a bat. And it's gonna be a fight to the death. Don't start yet. Wait, can we eat beans? Hey, no double jump. Hey! Don't hit me. Not yet. I mean MRE. Wait, green, come. Green, eat an MRE. Green, eat an MRE. Hold on, I need to reload my gun.